can't find out what the chemicals are. Probably thermite.
Okay, we're gonna walk through how do you analyze this force versus time graph that we got from firing that solid fuel rocket engine. So Matthew and I are ready to do that. So first thing we're gonna do is we just wanna select the part of the graph, just touch and drag, where the, I guess the thrust was happening. And then we're gonna click Analyze. We're gonna go to Integral and touch Force, and we can see that it fills it in. And the integral is the area underneath this curve. If we get the area underneath a force time graph, that's going to give us the impulse. So this is actually the impulse in newtons times seconds, or newton seconds. 8.5 newton seconds is the impulse that the rocket engine produced. Now we can get the maximum amount of force by just moving along the graph. You see this spike here. And you notice if you watch the video, the force drops off because of something that happened in our setup. We probably needed more inertia or to clamp down our stands so that the rocket couldn't push things around. But when it first started, we got the full force of the force, which was about 9.4 newtons. But then, see this drop off right here? That is where the engine was now at an angle. And we're only getting like a fraction of the real force. So we dropped down to about half of the real force, and that's probably because the engine was probably firing into the force sensor at about maybe a 45-degree angle from thereafter. So if we were to run this again, we would just try to kind of clamp things down a little better so that we didn't see that whole thing at an angle out. So really, this is probably about half of the full impulse that we get from this rocket engine. And I think we're using an A8-3 engine.
That wasn't, I don't think that's the right one.
Not the one? All right.
Like,
we got them soaking in water. We can check them out. Let's see here. So this was, oh yeah, we used a C, that's a much different, C6-7. Yeah, good call, Matthew. And we soak them in water. That's just a safety thing so that you make sure that it's all done. All right, thanks a lot for watching.